My God is good, my God is great. In my Lord I put all my faith. I know one day He's gonna let me through the gate. Until then, me I go and put in the work, now sit down and wait.
People production.
Vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. I have some information for you to know. Blessed love and greetings all of my viewers and subscribers, my kings and queens, my lion and my lioness. I hope all is blessed. And as usual, I hope this visual finds you all in the best of health. You know, health over wealth, and your health is your wealth. So we are going to please take care of it. Eat right, drink right, think right, do the right thing. Help someone if I can. Say, no more viewers and subscribers. I don't know. I line for whether I vlog, zine, and the go. So I say, yes man, so anyone that big up on a nice clean self, your support is highly appreciated. Yes man, you don't know. Subscribe and click the bell. See? Yes man, so you always get alert. Hey, I went to Man City last night. No sir. But my viewers and subscribers, I did a review earlier so you can check it out. See? And leave in the comment. All of the Man City fans saying what happened when you crumble, when you stumble, or when you battled it. You see me I say? Yes man, so right now Dan Mafia, big up yourself Dan Mafia, the computer brain, all of the fans of Dan Mafia. See Dan Mafia, you know Dan Mafia, anything that happen in a dance hall, he's quick to go and address it musically. I'm not gonna know what's going on, and that's pure talent. See, so big up Dan Mafia. So that, you know General B and Harry Toddler have them differences right now with Boombox, which me not like. See, would I love to see the band build back and they understand me. Come on, we can talk it over, man. You see me I say, there's misunderstanding and sometimes people get in people's ears and sometimes some people too greedy too. You see me? Yes, man. So my viewers and subscribers, we're going to review that song right now. When we get it last night, I come from work this morning and, you know, so the first we're going to listen to it and, you see me? Here we are going. So we got that Mafia, we are forward back after the break.
I said, wait there! Wait there! Let's go! Especially people who live in a foreign land. Canada, America, Ireland, England, Germany, France, Italy, Belgium, Finland. And dance is easy if you do, but you can't do stiff, you have to be flexible.
Yes, welcome back. Thanks for staying if you're still here. So that's my cool front song. I don't know the youth. SM. Big up yourself on your birthday, my nephew. I'm at the embassy there, them just love the dance like that. You see me, I know we have the song officially recorded and thing. You see me, I say, so the feedback is great. See, so you can look out for the song. Cool front. See, right now, I'm there, I sit down and say, chilly. You see me? And it's supposed to be coming up to summer, spring. You see me, I say? But anyway, my viewers and subscribers, let's get into the song right now. Big up yourself, Dan Mafia. Big up General Bay. Big up Harry Toddler. Why a baiting go on, you know me, I say, video face, run left and camera drop and bass it and super kick off and man run with him. Yo, Dan Mafia, you talk the people in business so. But anyway, my viewers and subscribers, I could get into it and hear what go on here, man. Pan what go on. Zen, I never know where the song name, but is it Dan Mafia? Big up yourself, Papa. Yeah, man. So here we go on.
General B, you never start following me on my Instagram until last week Sunday. So what kind of person is your business partner?
Me nah like proper expose that still, you know. Oh, General B, if you just start follow Harry Toddler last week Sunday, and I'm a friend for so long, and have them Instagram for so long. I just a follow the man. That no sir. Proper expose the Harry Toddler go already, you know.
You are a wicked boy. We can tell every blood clot body that you remember say you never beside you try to trick me. You want to control YouTube, Instagram, the bar, you want to control the blood clot money, you want to control everything, and I'm my blood clot money. You don't deal with me after today.
Yes, me not understand that, you know. Share the food, man. Equality, diversity, empathy. You see me I say equity. Video face, a camera good, Papa. Because we know camera expensive and it's not easy to come by and everybody can afford camera. You see what I say? So Video face, I hope your equipments are okay. You see what I say? Why the curry gold pot kick over? I will get vexed and kick over the pot. A toddler or a general B. That mafia who?
I will jump the fence with money in a knapsack. Can't be the paper and control the cash up. That lamball say not having that we see the video on IG and TikTok.
Alright, that mafia say see the video on IG and TikTok. Who? See, when that mafia sing about a thing we are going, you know, remember? Artists sings about their experience, or when them see people experience, or when them see what are going. So that mafia, we need an interview with them before I know if I really take it. I will run with the money.
Yo, when them a deal with fix up the thing, we want to see the show this Friday evening. The whole of Jamaica and the people of Orange said them want to see Richie Spice and Berry Some and them a sing.
Yeah, but we want to see Richie Spice. I love Richie Spice and Berry Some to reach there yet. You see me? The people them all over the world disappointed, you know, because I know boombox bus and kick off. So the people them disappointed, man. Everybody has to fix things, man. Anybody when has to fix things, you know, corruption.
When them a deal with fix up the thing, that lamb me brother general and me brethren. No what no fit you and no stone no fit fling, cause everybody love the vibes of boombox bring.
Yeah, man, we love the vibes of boombox bring. And yeah, Dan Mafia say him nah pick no side. Toddler and Virgin and General B and friends, so them to fix back the thing. You see me I say? No stone no fi fling and no wood no fi fling.
From scratch, every Friday we have to watch. No we gonna lead and take over the map. Tuna read round there and I sing some hip hop. Merciless a pass through the lyrics in my trap.
Yeah, lyrics. Merciless been there before Junior Reid been there and shell it. We did cover those on the platform, those performances. So big up Dan Mafia, yeah man. Yes, we are waiting on Ido and Dexter to perform. People are waiting because there's many more acts to come and perform. You know. Remember, boombox are create back a space for entertainers to be seen and get booked. And so I say, so if it mash up, it's not a good look.
Police lock it up, mackerel head get hot. Queen Africa blaze fire like gas. Me fans them a foreign to feel locked down. That had me ready to go work them and mash it up down.
You know what I say, your police come lock it down and mackerel head cheap. Big up Major Mackerel. You see me I say Queen Africa burn them. You see me I say Dan Mafia say as film time and come perform at this one. Not a good look, man. You see me I say?
Somebody kick over the curry goat pot. Tear down the bar and the liquor them mash. Pick up your and try run and the camera them drop.
Tear down the bar and the liquor them mash. Somebody get vexed and kick over the curry goat pot. I really sit me, you know. But more for know who still, you see me? Dan Mafia, big up yourself, computer brain. Yes, man, I saw your right song and explain everything we're going. The explanatory have to be good, you know what I mean? Yes, man, the explanation have to be good so the people can understand. Oh, in the outside of the world can understand. Wow, go on. That's even like myself here.
I will jump the fence with money in a knapsack. Can't be the paper and control the cash up. That lamball say not having that.
So the cash up on the paper and all, and the Zelle and all of them things you set up with people sponsor. General B control all of that. Hold on there. I tell you, say, I'm a wicked boy, General B. Big up yourself, General B, you know. Yes, man. Big up yourself, General B. See? So, somebody getting at somebody is, you know. I know so we Jamaicans stay. We, you may include myself, we, us. Sometimes things are going good in and friend and teamwork and partner together and build a company and thing, you know. But you have somebody on the outside, after you pre negativity and I say, yeah man, boy, you must snatch some money, you know, and nothing like that now go on, you know. Somebody get into somebody's head, that's why it led to this. That's my belief. Yeah man, COVID make entertainment style and General B and Aritala come up with this. A long time them apart. Hey, that mafia tell you, a long time them apart. I tell you somebody I chop back and see the man observe a lot from them man. That's why I say big up yourself Aritala and General B. And trust me, I don't love to see this. Yeah man, all over the world people are talking about boombox man. As me say, all of the artists them were boss and have a name and artists who want to get a boss and highlight, get them opportunity from boombox. So right now time mash up is not a good look star. Who rap the restaurant, who rap the bar? After YouTube views gone up so far, one go back and go keep it on
and the next man say it can't work out at all.
So what are there? General be plan for running with boombox. Because here, I tell her say, you can't bring it foreign, so I don't know. Zine, and I don't know what I want. So I'm just want them fix things. So what are some viewers and subscribers?
Be a problem, I go and round a boombox. Somebody kick over the curry goat pot. Tear down the bar and the
We like that part there.
Pick up your son, try run and the camera them drop. I would you
We like that part there still. Big up yourself, Dad Mafia. Yeah, man. Look at you with that part there. They'll kick over the curry goat pot. I saw where that go in real life, you know.
jump the fence with money in a knapsack. Then with the paper lock control the cash up. God love.
Subscribe.
I've been that with the video for IG and TikTok. Yo.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, that was just a quick review. Dad Mafia song. And then if I get there, I'm going to hear them. Let me know what you think in the comment section. And you know, the man them for build about the thing star. Too much segregation and differentiation and hate. Why we can't get along as one. It happens overseas as well in England, you know. Promoter fight against promoter, artists fight against artists, selector fight against selector. You see me, police, people like police, man, people dance. I say you have to go shoot up and nothing not go on. So you see me, when nothing like something go on, just want the dance we not keep, all because of bad mind. You see me? But I love me say, you know. Yes, man. Viewers and subscribers, let me know what you all think in this. You know what I mean about this song here. I don't know the name of it. You see me, big up yourself, Dad Mafia, the computer brain. Well explained. You see me, the song is well explained. You see me, Dad Mafia not take no side. You see me, I say, and Lionfoot worse than not take no side. We don't do that over here, so we just speak with mind more time, and sometimes the truth hurts. You see me, I say, but you don't know, we're still not perfect. You see me, I say, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click the bell and share the content. Make someone else watch and hear. You see me, share the joy. You see me, I say, yes, man, if you want to contribute something to the channel, the cash app in the description and the PayPal. See it? Big up myself, Dad Mafia, General B, Aritala, fix things. Yes, man. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click the bell before you go. So you always get that alert when I upload a new content. Your support is highly appreciated. May God bless you and your loved ones. Guide and protect you during your going out and coming in. Until next time, stay safe. See you soon.